contestants, they need the Feud song. Okay. What are you guys arguing?
Bar service.
Your husband made the shirt?
Oh, Jordan. Oh.
And your boobs ripped it. Okay. Yeah.
She should get an answer. I like that. There's a lot of t-shirts out there, and I like that one.
We're going to go to category 4. Ladies, name something that gets up in the morning. Something that gets up in the morning. Whoa, slow down. Boston.
That would be the sun.
Show me the sun!
I think I got my phone here. God, that was a good answer. I knew that was number 1. Excellent. What's up with the sun? I got it.
Jordan, we're assuming you're not going to say balls this time.
No.
Name something that gets up in the morning.
I'm not gonna go the obvious. I know it's. I would say, kids. My kids.
Let's see kids.
Everyone, yeah. And if I said my penis, that you guys would have went crazy. I said kids, 2 claps. 12 people. Where's the priorities?
Well, theoretically, you can't have kids without a penis, Jordan. That could be their thinking.
That comes first. True.
That's right. Name something, Manon, that gets up in the morning.
Oh, no, thank you. Parents?
True, right? That's what my wife would say.
Group A, you're much cleaner than Group B. Let's just say that. Let's see the parents. That's all right. It was a fine answer. It's a fine answer.
Fine answer.
Sir? Carl.
The penis.
What's that?
Babies were made off the morning wood.
Do you like to take advantage of the morning wood, is what you're saying?
Yes.
Some people just look at it. Some get in the shower and cool off.
Use it as a towel rack. Things like that. It can be useful.
Some use it as a tent for the Dutch oven. You like to make babies with it. All right. Show me Carl's penis. Joey.
Jim.
Joey, we're looking for 2 more answers.
Good ones. Some good ones, Jim. And I'm just thinking I'm going to go for the win here. I got no more jokes for this topic. I'm going to go with... Can I say the answer, please? I'm going to go with dog, Jim. Dog. D-O-G. Not dirty dog, but dog.
It's a good answer, but will it make
A lot of dog lovers.
Show me dog! Team A, if they get another
yes.
you'll have a chance to steal, Dorchester,
Jim-
so see what you can come up with over
Jim,
there.
I'd like to apologize for not conferring with my team before I went for dog.
No, you're not supposed to confer, Joe, so you did the right
Play
thing.
by the rules.
That's right. You're doing a fine job.
I'm gonna say rooster.
Rooster, or in certain circles, the cock. Show me Rooster. Just turn this mic up a little bit more. It's a little straining my voice a little bit. We have a lot of partying to do tonight, and I'd like to have a voice left.
Yeah.
Jordan,
Yeah. I think I got something.
you got children. You've been on a roll.
Yep.
Can you finish this off for Team Boston?
Yep.
Something that gets up in the morning.
Right. What gets the worm? The early bird. How about that? No, I guess not. No. Not really. Not a good one.
Well, they were hoping for another sexual thing, I think. Which early bird could be considered somehow in the sick mind of blockheads sexually inappropriate. Show me the